In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a split effect in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is just drag your video footage onto the timeline like so. And what you need to do is make sure each of your videos is placed on top of each other in a new layer. So once you have your videos on the timeline, just click on the first layer like so. Click on video in the top right hand side, and then you need to scroll down to blend and click on this arrow drop down. From here, you need to reduce the opacity to around about 50%, and that's going to allow us to see both of our videos on the same picture. Now what you can do is reposition this first video to where you want it placed in the split frame. Now once you're happy with the placement, click on this lock icon to lock the layer in place, and then you can also select this second layer down here, and you can also reposition this on the timeline to where you want this placed. Once you're happy with the positioning of both of these video clips, you can then unlock the first layer, and then we need to click on it like so. Click on video in the top navigation and select mask. Click on add mask and then select split. Now what you can do is use this rotate tool to go and create your split effect. Now you can also reposition this just by moving it over to the right or left. And once you're happy with the position of your split, you can then come back over to basic, come back down to blend, and we can then increase the opacity back over to 100%. And you can see now if I play this back, we've now created this split effect. Now obviously if you wanted to reposition this, then you can do so just by dragging it over to the right like this. And you can do the same with your bottom clip as well, just by selecting it and then repositioning it on the page. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a split frame in CapCut. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.